Hi, we are Group 13. We've chosen the Yelp business data and focused on 30,000 restaurant businesses, which has 1.7 million reviews. Let us look at the overall distribution of our data. The line graph tells us the year-over-year increase in review counts for restaurants from 2004 to 2014. The price range bar chart tells us how businesses are distributed among the price ranges, and we can see that most of the businesses lie in the category of 1 and 2. Similarly, the average stars bar chart shows the distribution of how the businesses have been rated on a scale of 1 to 5, with most businesses skewed towards the range of 3.5 to 5. We can also look into this info region wise. Let us look at how the price range and average star rating has varied from 2004 to 2014. Looking at the price range chart, after an initial hike in the price range, it has pretty much remained stagnant and gradually decreasing over the years. If you look at the average star rating, overall, there has been a slow but steady increase in the star ratings for all these restaurants. This small multiple chart compares price ranges and stars across all countries. Restaurants in Germany with high star ratings fall in the low price range category compared to restaurants in Canada and Scotland where these restaurants with high stars have high price ranges.
Now, let us see what makes a country different cuisine wise based on average star rating and how many times these cuisines have been reviewed. Looking at Canada, we see that French is the most popular cuisine with high reviews and high star rating. Likewise, these cuisines have higher star rating but has been reviewed less number of times. Thus, they are less popular. Now let us see how USA is different. We see that the new American cuisine is the most popular as it's been reviewed more number of times and have higher number of ratings, followed by Mexican cuisine and Thai cuisine. Digging a level deeper, we try to find most and least popular restaurants for a cuisine in a city based on the criteria of minimum review count of more than 1,000 reviews. For beggars, in Chinese cuisine, Wendy's Noodle Cafe has the highest rating, while Beijing Noodle number 9 has the lowest rating.
These chart shows attributes comparison between restaurants so that you can look for the right place or how business can improve by comparing attributes with other restaurants. Here, the most important attributes that we have chosen are ambience, parking, alcohol, and Wi-Fi. Now we wanted to know what the user thinks about these businesses based on our secondary data, that is the review text. Before that, we decided to do clustering on business based on three variables: average rating, average review count, and average price range, and we ended up with three clusters which we will explain through further visualizations.
Our first cluster name is Can't Wait to Go Back, which makes up 65% of our total restaurants, and they have an mean rating of 4.2, price range of 1.92, and mean review count of 85. Based on the review text for this cluster, we performed text mining using R and created this word cloud. Bigger size represents most frequent words, and few of the most frequent words are will definitely back, great customer service, staff always friendly, great food. We can see a lot of positive words being used. Our second cluster is named as I love my food. Since there is not much difference between this and our previous clusters. However, we identified people are talking more about food in this word cloud. So a few of the more frequent food words are chicken fried steak, mac and cheese, and chocolate chip cookie. Our third and final cluster is Never Again, which makes up 32% of our total restaurants and with an average rating of 3.2. Looking at the word count, we can see a lot of negative words being used, such as bad customer service, waited too long for the food. Summarizing our insight, if you are looking to try a new cuisine, look for a restaurant which have more reviews and then look for the best among them, since only star ratings are misleading. If you want to open a new restaurant, look out for American or Mexican in United States, look for French cuisine in Canada or British cuisine in Europe. Coming to our cluster insights, for the cluster Never Again, people are More talking about bad customer service and long wait time, we recommend this cluster restaurants to improve customer service and reduce wait time. For the cluster, I love my food. People are mostly talking about food. So our recommendation is to increase varieties and variations by providing a diverse range to choose from. And for the last and final cluster, can't wait to go back. People are talking about friendly staff, excellent customer service, and delicious food. Our recommendation is to improve customer relationship and continue to maintain existing service and quality.